Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will know that how to check RAM size on Windows 11 and Windows 10. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 10, Windows 11 and other software. So let's start the video. Right click on taskbar and after that click here task manager option. After that guys, click here these three line and after that click here performance option and right side you can see here there are more option you can see here. Click here memory option. Okay, and you can see here your Windows RAM size is 16 GB and there are two slot. Okay, you can see here 16 GB RAM on your system. So guys, I hope you will know that how to check RAM in your system.